What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to embed YouTube videos into your Slider Revolution sliders. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard and into the browser address bar, you're gonna enter with your domain plus wp-admin, enter with your login credentials, the username and password, and you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Of course, it may change according to the themes and plugins you are using, but if you review the left sidebar of menus, scroll down into the bottom, you always should be able to see Slider Revolution. Click on it. Then find the slider that you would like to apply your video, you'd like to embed your video. If you hover your mouse over the slider, you're going to be able to see this pencil icon. As soon as you click on it, you're going to open the slider editor, okay? Once on the editor, you can see the elements of the slider. We have tutorials explaining how to create and how to add every single element on it. So just enjoy our YouTube Slider Revolution playlist from Visualmodo. Then, how to add the video. First things first, go to YouTube, find the video that I would like to embed. In my case, it's gonna be this one right here. Copy the video URL into the browser address bar. You can get the link and copy, okay? Go back to your slider, review the upper right corner of your screen, the upper left corner of your screen. There is Slider Revolution logo type, this purple one, settings, slides, timeline, layers, and add. Click on add. Right here we have text, image, shape, video, audio. Go to video. Hover your mouse over video and go to YouTube. Review the right side of your screen, okay? And you're gonna be able to find YouTube, HTML, YouTube, Vimeo. Go to YouTube. Place the video code. What is the video ID? This last part of the link, okay? This one after the equal symbol. Copy that. Go back to your slider. Place it right here. Just like this. Now, you can change the proportion of the video. You can make it contain or cover, up to you. You can customize the size of the video, in the case that you want. Let me show you this. Just like this. Let me drag and drop the elements. And here is my embed video. Well, here's the video. Now, let me fix it. To cover. You can change the duration of the video. Now we have the placeholders. You have some settings. Allow full screen, inline, start muted, stop when other media plays. There is a couple of options that you can play with. On initiation every time, first time, skip time, to autoplay the video. You can enable autoplay or not, up to you, okay? You have some agreements and the interact controls in the case that you want. And of course, you can place the video wherever you want. You can align using these symbols right here. You can make the position change. You can duplicate the video in the case that you want. You can group the layers, all up to your needs. And here is your video embedded. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!